Welcome to the Apple Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is November 7th, 2024. We have a fascinating lineup of stories from the world of Apple technology and beyond. Links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. Let's dive into the world of Rosetta, Apple's translation technology that allows x86-64 applications to run on Apple Silicon. The latest Apple developer documentation provides insights into enhancing Rosetta's performance, particularly for Intel Linux apps running in ARM Linux virtual machines. By implementing support for the total store ordering memory model in the Linux kernel, developers can significantly boost application performance. This involves applying a Rosetta enhancement patch, available on Apple's developer portal, which includes kernel optimizations and the use of the PRCL API for thread-specific TSO settings. This open-source patch aims to optimize legacy Intel binaries on Apple Silicon, enhancing user experience in virtualized environments. In a significant shift in the tech industry, Nvidia has overtaken Apple as the world's largest company by market capitalization. This change underscores the growing influence of artificial intelligence, with Nvidia's stock surging due to its advancements in AI technology. As Nvidia replaces Intel in the Dow Jones Industrial Average, it highlights a broader trend where AI is a central theme among top-performing companies in 2024. This development marks a pivotal moment in the competitive landscape, with Nvidia's focus on AI positioning it favorably against traditional giants like Apple. Apple has unveiled PKL, a new configuration language designed to simplify configuration management. PKL combines the simplicity of formats like YAML with the capabilities of programming languages, aiming to address complexities in growing configuration files. It enforces immutability and includes built-in validation through schemas. PKL can output configurations in various formats and offers integration libraries for Java, Swift, and Go. However, concerns exist about introducing another language, potential friction in team onboarding, and reliance on the JVM. While PKL offers innovative features, its adoption may face challenges, especially in enterprise settings. The new Mac Mini M4 has been receiving positive reviews for its compact design and impressive performance. Starting at $599, the base model features a 10-core CPU and GPU with 16 GB of RAM. The M4 model is praised for handling most computing tasks efficiently and is expected to have a long lifespan. Its compact size and improved port accessibility make it a versatile option, supporting up to 3 displays. Despite some criticism about the power button placement, the M4 Mac Mini is a strong value in the Mac lineup, with the M4 Pro version catering to professionals needing extra power. A repair YouTuber known as iBoff has developed upgradable SSD storage modules for Apple Silicon MacBooks, addressing the issue of soldered SSDs since 2016. This innovation allows users to upgrade storage without microsoldering, enhancing repairability and customization. While installation requires professional help, the subsequent upgrades are user-friendly. This development raises questions about Apple's design choices and suggests potential for more user-friendly designs in the future. Safari 18.1 has been released across various Apple operating systems, bringing numerous fixes and improvements. Accessibility enhancements, authentication fixes, and CSS updates are among the highlights. Media-related improvements and security updates further enhance the browser's performance. Additionally, web extensions and WebRTC have seen significant updates, improving user experience across Apple's ecosystem. The AirPods Pro 2's hearing aid features are currently unavailable in the UK, causing frustration among users. Despite updates to iOS 18.1, these features remain inaccessible due to pending approval. Users have expressed disappointment, especially those who purchased the AirPods for their hearing aid capabilities. The community remains hopeful for a resolution and future rollout of these features in the UK. The AI video chat app offers a solution for summarizing long YouTube videos using advanced AI technology. This app transcribes videos and provides concise summaries, ideal for students, researchers, and busy professionals. Available on various Apple devices, it ensures privacy by not collecting user data. Recent updates have improved stability, making it a valuable tool for enhancing video viewing experiences. A comprehensive guide has been published for running Ubuntu on Apple Silicon Macs, specifically the M1 and M2 models. This guide celebrates the author's 100th blog post and provides practical tips for setting up Ubuntu using virtualization software like UTM. It emphasizes the benefits of using Ubuntu on a Mac, such as enhanced customization and versatility. The guide aims to empower Mac users to explore Linux, making it accessible even for beginners. That's all for today's episode of the Apple Daily News. We hope you found these stories insightful and engaging. Don't forget to check the episode notes for links to all the stories covered today. Join us again tomorrow for more updates from the world of Apple technology. Until then, stay curious and keep exploring.